The future of robotics is here. Atlas 2.0, the next generation humanoid robot from Boston Dynamics, is now stepping into real-world jobs at Hyundai's factories. This electric-powered machine is smarter, stronger, and more capable than ever. It can pick, carry, and place objects with human-like precision, revolutionizing industrial automation. Humanoid robots have been in development for decades. Early models, like Honda's ASIMO, could walk and interact with people, but they weren't practical for real-world jobs. Boston Dynamics' first Atlas, introduced in 2013, was a hydraulic-powered machine, impressive but too complex for industrial use. In April 2024, everything changed when Boston Dynamics unveiled Atlas 2.0, a fully electric, AI-powered humanoid designed for real-world applications. Atlas 2.0 brings several advancements over its predecessor. The original Atlas relied on hydraulics, making it powerful but noisy and difficult to maintain. The new version is fully electric, significantly improving efficiency and reducing operational complexity. With an advanced AI system powered by foundation models and reinforcement learning, Atlas no longer relies solely on pre-programmed instructions. Instead, it can adapt and respond to changing environments, making it more versatile in industrial settings. One of Atlas 2.0's first real-world applications is part sequencing at Hyundai's factories. In automotive manufacturing, multiple car models are built on the same production line, requiring parts to be sorted in precise order. This task involves handling parts of different shapes, sizes, and weights in an unstructured environment, something traditional automation struggles with. Atlas is designed to solve this problem. With its advanced perception and agility, it can pick up, transport, and place parts efficiently, reducing human strain and improving workflow. This leads to faster part handling, fewer workplace injuries, and increased overall efficiency. Compared to other humanoid robots, Atlas stands out in several key areas. While Tesla Optimus, Agility Digit, and Figure 01 focus on simple, pre-programmed movements, Atlas operates with real-time AI adaptability. It is currently the only humanoid robot being tested in a major manufacturing facility, giving it a significant lead in industrial applications. While Tesla Optimus may have the advantage in potential mass production, Atlas is already proving itself in real-world environments. Despite these advancements, challenges remain. The cost of developing and deploying humanoid robots is still high. There is also the question of job displacement, as increased automation could impact employment in manufacturing. However, the potential benefits are undeniable. Beyond automotive factories, humanoid robots like Atlas could transform multiple industries. In warehouses, they can automate inventory management and packaging. In healthcare, they could assist in lifting and transporting patients, reducing strain on medical staff. Disaster response is another area where humanoid robots could shine, entering hazardous environments where human rescuers face extreme risks. Even in construction, robots like Atlas could help with heavy lifting and assembly tasks, making projects faster and safer. As AI capabilities expand, humanoid robots will become even smarter and more independent. Future applications could extend beyond factories to warehouses, logistics, and even healthcare. With continuous improvements in hardware and AI, Atlas is paving the way for the next industrial revolution. The question is not whether humanoid robots will integrate into the workforce, but how soon they will become a standard part of daily operations. What do you think about humanoid robots like Atlas? Are they the key to a more efficient world, or should we be cautious about their rapid development? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest technology shaping our world.